जब मानव की लाइन होती है तो you have that vision where मेरे को सुशांत की आवाज सुनाई देती है because I'm so connected to him maybe because of that. And I was like, ma'am, can we do Pavitra Rishta? And she's like, you really want to do Pavitra Rishta?
The biggest challenge was to convince Ankita and I that I'm Manav.
Let's do this.
When it comes to you, I get super nervous.
The Zoom house act.
And you're more nervous than I am.
Hi guys, I'm Avya from Team Miss Malini, and today I'm supremely excited because I'm virtually chilling with the cast of Pavitra Rishta. Please welcome the gorgeous, the very talented Ankita Lokhande, and the also handsome, the one who has charmed us with his amazing body of work, Shaheer Sheikh.
Thank you. Thank you for having us.
First of all, I want to start by telling you something which I felt deeply while watching the trailer of Pavitra Rishta, which dropped today. I went through a broad spectrum of emotions. Like, it took me back, but also while watching it, I was like, wow, sweet memories, but I can't wait to see what you guys have in store. So, I want to start by asking Ankita first that, the first season, we loved you. Everybody loved you so much as Archana. I want to ask you, what was it like when the makers told you that, the second season is happening?
I think I was the one who told Ekta to make it.
Wow.
Yeah, because I remember I met Ekta and she was like, I want to do again something with you. And I was like, ma'am, can we do Pavitra Rishta? And she's like, you really want to do Pavitra Rishta? Yes, ma'am. Because I just thought कोई 5 साल बाद और करेगा तो मुझे बहुत तकलीफ होगी उससे, तो मैं कर लूँ अपना Pavitra Rishta.
हमें तकलीफ होगी.
Yeah. So I was like, I want to do Pavitra Rishta, and I just wanted this to happen, and I was super happy that Ekta immediately she said yes for this, and we started working on it. And you're here.
Wow. And Shaheer, when बहुत expectations है. मतलब people are absolutely loving you. जब teaser भी drop हुआ था ना, people were going crazy. Like हम social media पे देखते थे कि Shaheer, we can't wait. काफी मतलब थोड़ा बहुत सारी मतलब tension भी होती है कि how I'm going to do this. So what was it like for you when they came with the script and everything? कैसा था आपके लिए?
I mean, scared is the most appropriate word. Little nervous. Eventually, when I signed, I was still nervous, but initially I didn't know how to react, what to say, because I know it's a very big responsibility, and because it's such a big show and people, the memories are still fresh. Everyone, like, you play that tune and people will know it's Pavitra Rishta. So I was like, will I be able to do justice to it? That was the only question in my mind. But I thought I will. It's wrong to not try. So I should at least give it my best and then let's see what happens.
Wow. If I had to ask both of you guys, but कि pressure तो था ही, but first day of shoot कैसा था? मतलब Ankita, how was it for you? Did you go through a lot of nostalgia and everything? What was it like?
और जब मैंने अर्चना के लिए मतलब रेडी होने चालू किया तो अर्चना इतने सालों तक जैसी थी, I try to keep her that way only, very simple, very subtle, because you can't change Archana. Archana has to be simple, she has to be that way. जहाँ I feel people should relate to her, that's what I feel. So जब मैं first day set पर गई and that clapboard जब मैंने पवित्र रिश्ता का पकड़ा, it was very emotional. And I remember Shaheer and me met for the first time on the sets, I guess, and
we had one reading session, but yeah, that was very good.
मतलब बहुत ही funny reading session था हमारा, so and that was it. But clapboard जब हुआ और पवित्र रिश्ता, it was very emotional क्योंकि इतने सालों बाद वापस उस शो को करना और वापस उसी सेट पर जाना, और चौल में शूट थी, मानव के घर में शूट था मेरा पहला सीन, तो it was very very emotional, very connecting. And of course बहुत सारी यादें हैं जुड़ी हुई हैं पुराने पवित्र रिश्ता से, बहुत सारी चीजें हैं, but बहुत अच्छा लग रहा था यार वापस आके पवित्र रिश्ता के साथ.
Shaheer, do you remember your first scene? उसमें कैसा था वो? You बहुत pressure है, nervous कि मैं कहीं भूल ना जाऊँ लाइन, वो अगर आप तो आप please मुझे बताइए.
I was really nervous. See, for me, the biggest challenge, I said this sometime back as well, the biggest challenge was to convince Ankita and I, that I'm Manav. To just create that aura, it was very important for the show as well, to make the audience believe that I am Manav. The moment they gave their approval, I and Ankita, of course, after that, I felt a little relief. I was, my nervousness went away and I felt a little more comfortable. And I was like, thank God, at least I'm looking the part. So now I have to just.
But you tell me, लग रहा है कि नहीं माना? मुझे तो लग रहा है.
पूरा vibe, वो vibe we could like.
I remember एक shot चल रहा था इसका और ये ऐसे मैं और नंदिता हम दोनों बैठे हुए थे. कुछ सिल्वेट में शॉट था एंड शाहिद वहां से वॉक करके आते हैं. तो जैसे आ रहे थे ना तो मैं और नंदिता एक दूसरे ऐसे करके देखे because we could just see Manav. I mean, he was so relatable. Like मुझे तो पहले से ही पता था, मैं पहले दिन से जानती थी he can be very good Manav. But the shot में actually Nandita ma'am we both were like shocked because he was actually like Sushant, but yeah, the Manav character, that check shirt and the locket, wood denims and very untidy sa, that he was looking like Manav.
So that approval really helped me a lot actually.
If I had to ask you, what were the challenges you guys faced while filming for this season?
No challenges for me. I was very okay with because see, in and out I know Archana so well. I have lived Archana for years and I really feel Archana. From here. It's not a character for me. I think Archana को कहीं ना कहीं मैंने बनाया है. I have created her.
Of course.
मेरी तरीके से उसको बनाया है क्योंकि आपको टेलीविजन में ना उतना मौका नहीं मिलता कैरेक्टर सेट करने का. आप खुद अपना धीरे-धीरे एक चीज डेवलप करते हो and that's what I have done. For 5.5 years I've played grandmother, I've become Archana, I've become mama, I've become every possible thing जो अर्चना कर सकती थी. So मुझे अर्चना शायद कभी मेरे अंदर से गई नहीं और मुझे जब मानव भी आई थिंक शहीर जब आए तो पहले मुझे लगता था कि मैं कर पाऊंगी या नहीं किसी और मानव के साथ लाइक सुशांत क्योंकि मेरे नजर में जब मैं अभी भी ऐसे होता है कितनी बार जब मैं सीन्स पढ़ती हूँ तो उसमें जब मानव की लाइन होती है तो यू हैव दैट विजन वेयर मेरे को सुशांत की आवाज सुनाई देती because I'm so connected to him maybe because of that but मुझे लगा था कि क्या मैं कर पाऊंगी किसी और नए मानव के साथ काम but the moment we started shooting it was very organic and very beautiful that ज्यादा हमें एक दूसरे को बताना नहीं पड़ा कि अर्चना मानव है या मुझे कन्विंस नहीं करना पड़ा मानव शहीर को देख के कि he is मानव. He was actually मानव for me because the day one when I got to know that Shaheer is a choice I swear to Lord I just wanted him to do this. मेरे लिए the show was complete जब शहीर आ गए तो I was really happy that he's doing it because for me otherwise it would have been very difficult to perform with some actor star.
No, don't say that, but yeah.
No, but seriously I'm telling you because Shaheer is not looking like Shaheer. Shaheer is looking like Manav. तो मुझे तो मानव पता होगा ना in and out. So that's what I think मैंने शहीर का इतना काम नहीं देखा था लेकिन जो भी मैं जानती थी शहीर के बारे में I really could connect to his personality because his personality himself is like very much Manav, and I felt it.
Actually, now that you say it, we're like, yeah, you're correct. You described it.
Please, ऐसा मत अफवाहें मत फैलाओ तुम करते हैं.
Shaheer, do you maintain like a look? मतलब जो
Yeah, absolutely.
I don't do that. I feel when something has to work out, everything falls into place. It just happens on its own.
And I feel that for me, Manav should be someone जो जिसकी आंखों में ना अर्चना के लिए वो genuine प्यार हो. You understand? क्योंकि अब अर्चना को प्यार ही मानव से इसीलिए क्योंकि मानव अर्चना से इतना प्यार करता है. So when Shaheer was portraying it, when Shaheer मानव जब अर्चना को देखे तो वो feel आना चाहिए. That's the most important thing है.
And that background score.
Yeah, आसमान में
that song.
The iconic. The iconic song.
साथिया तूने क्या किया भी है उसमें. So both the songs रहते हैं. आसमान में जब तक है साथिया तू नहीं रहते.
But Asman has a अलग fan base.
Yeah, absolutely.
But Shaheer, if I had to ask, this is an amazing time for the show to talk. I mean, people are inside. अब थोड़ा बाहर निकलने लगे पर अब लोग OTT मतलब completely they have gone like on it. If I had to like get your views on like entertainment का scene बहुत बदल गया after the pandemic hit. People are like now exploring so many things. Like it's not only limited to channels or the big screen. So if I had to ask you about like how do you feel your show dropping like in this space?
See, there are a lot of expectations from this show. So there is a little nervousness as well to be able to live up to those expectations. But at the same time, people have switched to online platforms, OTT. I mean, I hope that people watch our show and they accept us, especially me. Archana is Archana. But they like our show and nervous energies, I guess, more than anything else. We are not really sure what happens. It's until the time it's not there on the platform and people are watching it, we will not know what their reaction is. So yeah, waiting for that day.
Anything that you want to tell to all the beautiful people out there?
This, I think, is the most simplest way of telling a love story with such adorable, sweet characters. I feel Manav is one of the most earnest and pure character I've played till now, and even Archana is such a beautiful character. You will fall in love with Archana the moment you start watching the show. So if you want to feel that pyar, you should watch this show.
Simple love story. Archana, Manav, they are actually pure love.
Thank you so much, guys, for taking your time. It was lovely talking to you guys, and I can't wait to see the show.
Please.
And all the best for Pavitra Rishta.
Thank you so much.
Bye.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned for yet another episode of Bollywood Zoomies.